Here's another episode of From AB to 360. This is called 360 Blueprint. We talk a little bit about creativity, and I'd like to show you guys how to be an artist out there. There's only one way, and it comes with hard work. You can't unlock creativity if you don't get out there in the nets and try different shots. But very often, most players get one thing wrong. When you try and be creative, or you call it fancy, whatever you want to call it, sometimes we forget about the basics. I'll go through the 360 blueprint today. I hope you enjoy this episode. You've seen me play all around the park. A lot of people call me Mr. 360. We see a lot of those kind of players these days, but there's only one way to do so, and that is to unlock the creativity. You have to go into the nets, face the same kind of delivery and hit it in different areas. Start really slow. Once again, with a Jacques Kallis drill, keeping your feet still. Get someone to throw in the same area on top of off, or even a bowling machine. And for the one delivery, you just hit it through the covers. Same delivery, try and work it through the leg side. Same delivery, hit it down to third man. Same delivery, find a scoop or explore a scoop shot. These are ways to just unlock a little bit of creativity, also understanding the movements of the body and where your hands need to be in order to manipulate the ball through the offside or to work it through the leg side. You've seen some of the best players in the world. I think of a Surya Kumar Yadav, who's incredibly creative as well. Really toy with the bowlers, and once a bowler knows you have so many options, it can be incredibly intimidating. It can also be a batter's downfall if you try too many things, so be aware of that. This is only for the nets, just to unlock the creativity button that I would like for you guys to do in order to create that 360 blueprint. And each individual, every player is different. There's no use in you trying to be like me or Virat Kohli or Steve Smith or Jacques Kallis. The list goes on. You need to find your authentic self. And the only way to do that is go into the nets and explore your talents. Try and hit the same kind of delivery in numerous areas. Hit a couple through to cow corner, hit through extra cover, hit a straight drive, and just get a feel for where the hands need to be in order to manipulate the ball around the ground. Remember, when exploring with the creative elements of your game, the basics still stay the same. Nothing changes with regards to that, and I'm really sorry I always harp on that, guys, but it is incredibly important to understand that. You get ahead of yourself sometimes when you watch some of your heroes play on the television screen, and you go and try it out, but you fail because the basics don't stay the same. Look at that, my head already going there, because that is one of the biggest things. When you think about being creative, think about manipulating balls, you forget about maybe keeping your head upright. So remember, parallel to the ground, watch the ball. You can't score runs, you can't be creative if you can't see the ball. And believe it or not, being having played with some of the best players in the world, having been called one of the best players to play this game, I've also got that wrong on so many occasions. Playing Test cricket, ODIs and T20s for South Africa, for RCB, I sometimes walked off the field after being dismissed, and I told myself, or asked myself rather, where was the ball? I can't remember seeing the ball, and that is so wrong. It's an absolute no-go. So make sure the basics always stay the same, whether you do power hitting, whether you work on your 360 blueprint to manipulate balls through covers and through mid-wicket. Remember, shoulders nice and square, keep this forearm in connection with the bat, eyes nice and parallel to the ground, head upright, nice balanced stance, and don't try and overheat. And once you do all of that right, you can start manipulating balls to wherever you want, play that scoop, do this and that, and you will be amazed at how many features of your game you will unlock in no time.